My name's Stuart Watley. I've spent my whole life just making pots. I started it with my father in 1972. It's play therapy. It's keeping me out of being mad. We like making pots that work, you know, that people will enjoy using. The pots reflect the colours and the textures of the landscape. Quite often, when somebody comes with a mug, they want to buy a mug, and I take it to the counter to wrap it, it's warm because they've been holding on to it while they look around the shop, getting a feel for it. And I think that relationship between your customer, your work, and yourself is hugely important.